Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Spectrum TV on your Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Before we begin, one important prerequisite is that you will need to be a Spectrum customer in order for this to work. Alright, to start, pan over to the Apps tab. Then, go down to the search box and search for Browse. Click on the Browse Here web browser. Then, click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Click Get Started. Then, click the address bar at the top and type watch.spectrum.net and click Go. Sign in with your Spectrum username and password. Once you're signed in, click Continue. Then you'll have access to Spectrum Live TV. Now, if this isn't quite cutting it for you and you want access to even more live TV channels, then watch this video right here where I show you how you can get access to tons of live IPTV channels.